Good morning, all of you. Today, I'm going to represent a topic Neuralink Chip. Myself, Chanchal Chaudhary from NTTF Pune. So, let's get started. What is Neuralink? Neuralink is a neurotechnical technology company founded by Elon Musk in 2016. The company is focused on developing brain machine interfaces that connect the human brain directly to the computers. So, before talking about Neuralink, let's talk about the famous personality. All of us know Elon Musk. He's usually famous for his comments, and he's the owner of Tesla and SpaceX, and as well as the founder of Neuralink. So, what does the Neuralink company do? Let's see. What is Neuralink company? Founded or Neuralink company implements Neuralink chips. So, what is a Neuralink chip? The Neuralink chip is a critical component of Neuralink's brain-machine interface technology. And now, what is brain-machine interface technology? So, brain-machine interface means a technology that allows people to control machines through their thoughts. What is the purpose? What is the purpose of that chip? The Neuralink chip aims to create a high bandwidth, seamless interface between the brain and external devices, enable both recording and simulation of neural or neural activities. So, what is the technology behind the chip? Before talking to the technology, you can see on the screen the chip. The chip is a coin shaped chip, and the chip has too many wires, too many small wires, and these wires, as compared to human hairs, these wires are 10 times smaller. You can think how much smaller the wires are. And there's huge wires. That wires goes to the human brain, and these wires uh, collect the data from the neural activities happening in our mind. The electrical activities happening in the neurons, and they collect the data in the chip, and the chip will store the data, and through the chip, the external device will behave. So, what's the technology behind this chip? First, flexible electrode arrays, wireless communication, high density, neutral interface, biocompatible devices or biocompatible material, advanced data management, adaptive technology, integration with internal devices or external devices. So, what is the implementation process of a Neuralink chip? Because Neuralink chip is going to ensure inside our mind. So, what is the implement process? So, number first, pre-surgical preparations. What is the pre-surgical preparations? So, patient assignments, imaging and planning. Number second, anesthesia. What is anesthesia? It's kind of interesting. Anesthesia is kind of drugs. Well, it's not a high drugs, it's a general drugs given by doctors or operators when they are going to operate anybody's body or doing they're going to do any surgery. They give a general drugs to the patient for enable their senses. So it is easy to operate or to surgery. Number three, surgical process. What is the surgical process? Is skull opening. 3. Electrode insertion. 4. Chip implementation, closing the insertion, post-surgical care, and long-term monitoring. So long-term monitoring is really essential in the case of this surgery because we need to monitor the activities what are happening in his or her brain. Because of that data, the external device will behave. So applications in medicine. It is said be like that if this Neuralink chip will successfully produce, it can create a magic in a medical field. So what are the medical uses? Medical uses are neurological disorders. It can prevent patients from neurological disorders. It can treat for that. Number second, restoring lost functions like spinal cord injuries and so on. Human enhancement, cognitive augmentation, brain computer interactions. Cognitive augmentations, it can It can increase the problem solving or memory and some skills also. So what are the future developments because of the chip? So there is so many future developments because of this chip. So it is expanded medical applications, as I just told, new treatments, integration with advanced technologies, AI and machine learning, improved user experience, long-term safety and durability, self-handling tech, advanced wireless and power solutions, collaborative researches and innovations, and global initiatives. So it can be the causes of new researches also, like how the human brain behaves, how it thinks. So, conclusion on Neuralink chip. As you can see on the screen, there's an African bandar playing with a African monkey playing with a joystick. With the help of this joystick, that African monkey is playing the computer. So, uh, this is a animal trial by the Neuralink company. So this is a successful animal trial. Inside this monkey's brain, there's a Neuralink chip, and because of this Neuralink chip, that monkey is able to play the computer, as you can see. Well, Neuralink has its separate channel on YouTube also. There you can see the that video also. Conclusion on Neuralink. Neuralink represents a groundbreaking enhancement in brain-machine interface technology with scientific and potential to transform medicine, human computer instructions, and cognitive enhancement. So it is all about a Neuralink chip. And if you want to know more about it, you can go to Google and go to YouTube also. There's a YouTube channel, as I just told, of Neuralink. You can get more about it. Thank you. Thank you for listening me.